Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the layer command or layer panel in Autocad. So let's get started. First, let me tell you about the layer command in Autocad. Basically, it is used to classify different features into different categories. Let me show you with an example. The first example is this floor plan. The floor plan consists of various features such as the dimensioning, the annotations, and the blocks, furnitures, and the doors, windows, etc. To manage all of them is quite difficult. For that, I make number of layers. These are the layers. So when I turn off the block, then all the furnitures are hidden, and when I turn on, it come back. Similarly, when I turn off the dimensions, all the dimensions are get hidden and you can see the floor plan without the dimension. Similarly, you can take the printout without the dimension also. So it is very easy to control the diagram by using the layer, as you can see. Now let me show you with a 3D diagram. So here a screw jack I made. The screw jack have different parts which is quite difficult to color all of them. So I made number of layers to color them. So if I want to change the color, I simply click at this and go to the layer panel and change the layer to change the color also. Now let me show you with a practical example how to make the layer with a scratch. So for that I used to make three circles. Make three circles. The first circle having a diameter of 50. Just zoom it a little bit. Then again make two circles. The second circle have a diameter of 30 units. Then make another circle have a diameter of 20 units. Sorry. Again make a circle with a diameter of 20. Now dimension all of them using dim diameter command. Simply click the circle and place the dimension outside of them. Simply click at the circle, place the dimension outside. Similarly this circle. Now let me show you what are the benefit of drawing. So first, if you want to create a layer, simply type layer, or you can click at this layer properties. Then you can create a new layer by clicking at this symbol, and you can delete the unwanted layers by this symbol. First, let us create some layers. Click at this and type the layer name. Suppose I want to name it as circle 1 and the color is red. Similarly make a second circle, circle 2, with a different color, and you can also change the line type from continuous. Simply click at this load and click to different line types. Suppose I want a center line. Click OK. Click at this and press OK. And you can also change the line weight. Now make more 2 layers. Make another layer name as circle 3. Change the color Let me change the color to blue. Make another layer for the dimensions. Change the color. And it's okay. Now to change the color and properties of this, first click at this dimension and click all of them. Click at this panel and select the dim for the dimensions. And here you can see I categorized all the dimension into a single layer. Simply and similarly click at this circle, go to the dimension panel, click anyone that you want. Again select this circle and I want to create with a center line option. Similarly this circle, click at this and this. And this is how you can create different layers. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, don't forget to comment, share, and that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day.